Hello, in front of me I've got Glorious Model 02 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to check firmware version and update. To check firmware of your mouse, firstly let's go to Glorious Core app. Firmware is located right here. If you want to update it, press this button and now connect receiver to your PC. Tap OK. Once it's done, press OK button and restart the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.